चाओ चाओ दोस्तों, कुछ ही दिन पहले मैंने मार्को रूनी का ये रील देखा।
मार्का, तेरे लिए फुटबॉल के लास्ट 10 इयर्स में कौन से टॉप 5 कमबैक मैचेस हैं?
एक बहुत मेजर चीज मार्का ने मिस किया। इट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट कमबैक ऑफ ऑल कमबैक्स। इट इज रोमा वर्सेस बार्सिलोना। मेरा नाम है अजय मेनन, आप हो एएम टॉक स्पोर्ट पे, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाई the Roma versus Barca game was the greatest of greatest comebacks in the modern era of the UEFA Champions League. तो चलो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने के पहले अगर आपको ऐसा कंटेंट पसंद है तो यू कैन गो बैक and watch similar content, and I'm going to be posting a lot of videos like this, so do help a fellow creator out and hit that subscribe button. Roma versus Barcelona, Peter Drury के commentary पर एक तरीके से immortal हो चुका है। उसमें से एक लाइन है पीटर ड्यूरी का जिसपे वो कहते हैं कि दिस वॉज नॉट मेंट टू हैपन बट दिस हैज हैपेंड। रोमा मेड इट हैपन। तो दोस्तों, रोमा ट्रेडिशनली हैव नॉट बीन अ क्लब दैट विंस अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉफी। मैं एक रोमानिस्ता रह चुका हूँ, करीबन 22-23 साल हो गए अभी रोमा को फॉलो करते हुए बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रांचेस्को टॉटी। उसके बारे में भी एक वीडियो मैं जल्दी बनाऊंगा। बट रोमा ट्रेडिशनली नहीं जीतती है, और यूरोपियन स्टेज में तो मैंने इतने एम्बैरेसमेंट्स देखे हैं, आई कांट टेल यू। मतलब आई हैव सीन एम्बैरेसिंग गेम्स अगेंस्ट स्मॉलर टीम्स, रोमा गेटिंग डम्प्ड आउट बाय द लाइक्स ऑफ मिडलसबरो, पैनाथेनाइकोस, with no disrespect to Panathinaikos. Also, I've seen a lot of huge thrashings जब मैन यूनाइटेड ने हमें 7-1 हराया था ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड में, या बायर्न म्यूनिख ने हमें होम पे 7-1 हराया था, या इवन आई वुड से दैट बोडो ग्लिम्ट गेम जिसके कारण जोसे मरीनो ने रिकार्डो कैलिफियोरी को बेच दिया from Roma for just 1 million euros. So I've seen a fair share of a lot of bad nights in European football. And जब ये draw announce हुआ था Barca versus Roma, so the local Spanish newspapers in Barcelona had carried a headline called Bon Bon. मतलब it's going to be a very easy type of Barca. And this is a Barca that had just made a tremendous comeback previous year of the Champions League, वो जो Barca PSG वाला गेम था। हालांकि उन्होंने नेमार को लूज किया हुआ था, but they were still a very strong team. Messi was still at his peak of his power. अभी भी है Messi, he is still the GOAT. But you know what I'm saying. The Barca downfall effectively had not started yet. And I have reason to believe that this game actually turned quite a lot of things around at Barcelona, because no one really gave Roma a chance. And first leg में I would say that Roma were not that bad as the scoreline showed. Match खत्म हुआ 4-1 पे, but I would still say that Barca were the better side on the night. But Roma didn't deserve to lose by 4-1. आप अगर देखोगे जो पहला गोल था was an own goal by De Rossi. जो सेकेंड वाला गोल था, खैर that was inevitable, but Manolas kind of bundled it in for another own goal. Just keep these names in mind, okay? De Rossi own goal, Manolas own goal. थर्ड वाला गोल, यार मैं क्या बोलूँ, Gerard Piqué always has a habit of scoring against Roma. Even when he was at Man United, he had scored a Champions League goal against Roma. And before the game, actually, I had predicted that Gerard Piqué is going to score against Roma. In fact, I have a very interesting tale also of before the game. I'll get to it after I finish wrapping up the first leg. 3-0, Barca were up. I think our mark था, and उसके बाद में I still felt that Roma was still creating chances. And eventually one led to a goal, an away goal. तो guys, एक और चीज़ मैं आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ, away goals थे उस वक्त. And sometimes I miss these away goals, especially when the odds are stacked against you. Edin Dzeko somehow got a goal for Roma, a lifeline. 3-1 down, still an acceptable defeat, I would say, away from home. But वो भी एक सपना ही रह गया कि हम 3-1 हार के जाएंगे, बिकॉज मैक्सिम गोनोलॉन ने इतना बुरा फर्स्ट टच लिया रोमा के बॉक्स के अंदर during a defensive phase of play, and he just gave the ball away to Luis Suarez, who's very lethal from inside the box. So 4-1 it ended on the night and हमें लगा कि ये टाई खत्म हो चुका है because यार आप कैंप न्यू में 4-1 जीते हो. Practically it's a cakewalk in the second leg. It's just a matter of showing up and getting the job done and progressing to the next round, which was the semi-finals. तो ये obviously quarter final थी and रोमा ने somehow शाख्तार डोनेट्स्क को, a very good शाख्तार को राउंड ऑफ 16 में हराया था. तो क्वार्टर फाइनल का एग्जिट would have been, I would say, a very reasonably good result for Roma considering how that season panned out. So 4-1 ties done and dusted. It looked like the newspaper headline Bon would actually come true, but the small matter of the second leg was still pending. तो मैंने आपको कहा था कि एक इंसिडेंट बिफोर द फर्स्ट लेग. तो मैं मुंबई में बेस्ड हूँ, तो मैं और मेरे रोमा फ्रेंड्स जो मुंबई में, हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कि साथ में गेम देखें. उस रात आई हैड गॉन विद अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड टू वन पब दैट वाज शोइंग लिवरपूल मैन सिटी एंड बार्सिलोना रोमा, दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली चल रहा था. तो कुछ बच्चे आए जो मैन सिटी फैंस थे और उन्होंने हमें कहा कि व्हाई आर यू गाइज वॉचिंग रोमा बार्सा, बिकॉज दो स्क्रीन थे, एक स्लाइटली बड़ी थी, एक स्लाइटली छोटी थी. हम लोग पहले आए थे, मैं और मेरे दोस्त, तो हमने बड़े स्क्रीन में बार्सा रोमा लगाया था और छोटे मतलब इतना भी छोटा स्क्रीन नहीं था, बट इट वॉज अ स्मॉलिश स्क्रीन कंपेयर टू दैट. उस पर लिवरपूल सिटी चल रही थी. सो इन लोग आने के बाद वी वर फाइटिंग अराउंड एंड इवन द पब ओनर वाज लाइक, यार वी हैव मोर फैंस हु वांट टू वॉच लिवरपूल सिटी, सो वी विल हैव टू स्विच. One guy came and told my friend that what's the point in watching? हारने तो वाला ही रोमा. Why are you watching? मेरा दोस्त ने कि बच्चे तू सिटी फैन है, तू अभी पैदा हुआ है, हम लोग है ना भाई काफी समय से देख रहे हैं ये चीज. सो स्टे इन योर लेन. तो बिफोर एनीथिंग को एस्केलेट आई टोल्ड जस्ट लेट्स बज ऑफ, यहाँ से निकल जाता है, जाके मेरे घर पे ही देखेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं है. लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड वॉच और विल गो समवेयर एल्स एंड वॉच, बट लेट्स नॉट स्टे ओवर, लेट्स नॉट कॉज अ सीन. सो ये बात था. टिपिकली नो वन गिव रोमा अ चांस and I would say that after the first leg, maybe even we thought maybe that it was over, but एक 1% chance था. तो second leg I watched it at my friend's house. वो साउथ बॉम्बे में रहता है, तो मैं वेस्टर्न सबर्ब्स में रहता हूँ. गाड़ी लेके मैं गया था उसके घर पे देखने के लिए, and I think this was at 1:30 वाला जो किक ऑफ था, because obviously the daylight savings and everything. So second leg हम लोग गए to watch with zero expectation कि ऐसा कुछ ड्रामेटिक होने वाला है. We just wanted Roma to give a fight. That's pretty much what we want. We don't want to go down, without giving up a fight. अगर fight करो और हारो उसमें ही मजा है. रोमा का एक nickname है La Magica because we play a brand of attacking football. And sometimes, I would say, a lot of times, especially in Europe, that has been proven to be our downfall because 7-1s ऐसे ही नहीं होते भाई. तो सेकेंड लेग के लिए मैं गया, जीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन, ड्राइव करके गया. पूरे रास्ते में मैं सिर्फ रोमा जो रोमा का नेशनल एंथम बोल रहा, रोमा का क्लब एंथम है, वो सुन रहा था, सिर्फ एक उम्मीद लेके कि शायद कुछ हो पाए इस रात को, जिसके कारण ये रात एक मेमोरेबल नाइट बन जाए हमारे क्लब की हिस्ट्री में. एंड एज अ फैन ऑल्सो, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू, मैंने इतने सारे सक्सेस देखे नहीं, कम ट्रॉफीज देखे मैंने एज अ रोमा फैन. So at least these matches kind of give you that dopamine hit that you want as a football fan. So nevertheless, 1:30, the scene was set. My friend and I, we just watched the anthem, and it just felt वो air था ना in and around the stadium. And we were like 8,000 miles away, 8,000 kilometers or 8,000 miles away from Rome in Mumbai. But we felt that we were at the Stadio Olimpico in Rome. It just felt that something might give way and this could be a historic night. The match kicked off. My friend and I, हमने बात किया था कि Roma need an early goal just to make things interesting. यार, Messi was playing at the Olimpico. Barca actually coincidentally have never won at the Stadio Olimpico in any competitive fixture. There have been draws. Barca have actually coincidentally had also lost 3-0 way back in the early 2000s as well. So Roma needed an early goal to kind of just unsettle things. थोड़ा Barca के nerves पे, पैर रखना था. And it happened with a long ball from De Rossi, Dzeko bringing it down and scoring and giving us that advantage. 1-0, Roma were up on a night, and I think the Olimpico started believing that a very, very unlikely thing might just yet happen. So मैं बोला कि फर्स्ट लेग पे मुझे लगा था कि 4-1 was शायद harsh, but Barca pretty much dominated the first leg. But in the second leg, Barca were never ever in this game. It was Roma's game from the first minute till the last. Roma, after scoring that goal, did not back down. They just kept on coming and बहुत ही सही दिख रहा था because I could really see that everyone was charged up. From Juan Jesus to Federico Fazio to Alisson to Dzeko to De Rossi, everyone had that fire in the belly जो हम लोग बोलते हैं. And Peter Drury was on the mic. My friend and I, we were just bewildered कि भाई चल क्या रहा है ये? Is this the real Roma? But unfortunately, 1-0 was still not enough. We needed 2 more goals. And the second goal once again came through. Fantastic center forward play from Edin Dzeko. Our Bosnian diamond, a rare gem, one of the most underrated strikers in Europe. He was brought down by Gerard Piqué. And up stepped Daniele De Rossi, our Capitano Futuro, wearing the captain's armband for the first time in a full-time capacity. Because previous season, Francesco Totti, जो हमारा legend है, it was his last season. So De Rossi had taken over officially as the club captain. Totti was there in the stands watching though. De Rossi stepped up और मुझे वो रात in Manchester याद आया in a Champions League round of 16 nonetheless against Manchester United where De Rossi skied a penalty. शायद वो penalty से Roma would have come back into that tie in the second leg, but De Rossi skied it. He was, clean shaven, unrecognizable if you haven't followed De Rossi's career from the start. But this time around, he did convert. 2-0, Roma were just within 1 goal because on the night, aggregate में 4-3 हुआ था, but Roma had that away goal. Barca was shocked. They did not know what had hit them. They did not know how to respond. And उसके बाद ये moment तो आप लोग को तो याद ही है. Cengiz Under with the corner and Manolas flicks it in, and the iconic Peter Drury commentary. A Greek god in Rome. He's come all the way from Mount Olympus. Yaar, it is an iconic night. And remember, De Rossi and Manolas had scored own goals in the first leg. They redeemed themselves, and how? 4-all on the night, and Roma were going through on away goals. Just needed to hold on, and I think the guy who was the most frantic was Roma's manager, Eusebio Di Francesco. Itna frantic tha. He was just running around here, there. He did not know what to do. Nainggolan was on the bench. I remember he was trying to get onto the pitch. De Rossi and Alisson were, calma, it's not over. And finally, when that whistle from the referee hit 3 times, it was over. Roma had made a historic comeback. 4-all, and as a Romanista, that night was one of the best nights of my life. And my friend's father, I think he was watching on the in the other room, and हम लोग हॉल में थे. वो आया, उसने हमें देखा कि एक तरफ वो पड़ा हुआ है, मतलब उसका बेटा पड़ा हुआ है, एक तरफ मैं नीचे पड़ा हुआ हूँ. हम लोग literally हाथ मुंह पे रख के, because we did not know what happened, because this was a Roma that had lost on penalty shootouts, had lost to stupid goals, had lost to lesser opposition, had lost to the big clubs, जो टेनिस वाले स्कोर लाइन्स में हम लोग हारे थे. They had actually taken down the world's best player, Leo Messi, at Barca. And to some extent, I feel that night was the beginning of Barca's downfall. But for a Roma fan, it was just magical. We dreamt of such nights, and it finally came true. And that, my friends, was a story of the greatest comeback of all time in the modern era of European football. That was a story of Roma versus Barcelona from a Roma fan's perspective. I don't know कि ये वीडियो मैंने रिसर्च ही नहीं किया कि किसी ने बनाया कि नहीं, but this video was straight from my heart. It is just about all the passion, all the soul, all the energy, all the tears, all the sweat that has gone on in supporting this club. And I think as a fan, as a football fan, you live for nights like these. I think that's it for this video. अगर आपको ऐसा कंटेंट पसंद है, जैसे मैंने at the top of the video कहा था, do hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that like button, helps the YouTube algorithm, and share it with your football fam. That's the one thing that if you can do, it'll really help a creator like me out. This is Ajay Menon. You were on AM Talk Sport. Forza Roma sempre. Until next time, ciao ciao.